some stuff and let them go. So I'm going to be doing the steps and stuff. All you need is a bucket, and then you put some holes in it, as you can see, and you need pale and triple vision for the holes. Actually, for all of it. So do you see it? There. And that's for the drainage, because the water, if you put too much water in it, it will start to get yucky. So that's not good, guys. So put those holes in. You need those holes. And then you put some dirt in, and before you put your dirt in, you put a potato from a store or something, and then that will grow more potatoes. So put a potato in there, then put some dirt, and then you put your plant in, obviously, that you got from the store, like put your stuff in, and then you water it, and that's it. And it's very easy. You just water it, and so now I'm talking about the things, like, so we put in the green bucket has red potatoes in it, and the blue bucket has gold potatoes in it. And we have some like already dumped out, and actually for dinner tonight we're gonna have some of those. So I'm excited. So and then after you're done with all that, when you see some of these leaves to start falling, like you see right here, that's yucky. That's when you start, like you have to dump the whole thing out. So I'm gonna dump it out. Actually, you might need some parents' help. And you also need it tart, because to tart, you can reuse the soil, because you can use it for another plant or more potatoes. So my dad is gonna help me. Thank you, Dad. It's gonna be fun, and then I'll dig through, and then I can take all the potatoes out, because you need muscles for that. It's really hard. Do you see? My dad is even struggling a little bit. Then you just nail into it, and then you don't really want the small potatoes, only if you want to eat a small potato, but I'm not really feeling for it. And then you obviously wash these off once you put them in your bucket. I'm just gonna get all these out. It's actually, this is my favorite part, just digging these out. Look, this potato is probably one of the smallest potatoes in the whole universe, actually. Probably. Just want to keep digging to them. This one is really hard to dig in. Like, oh, I got into the center. The center is the best place because it has the most in it. The most. Ooh, that's a big one. I just like finding the big ones. I still like digging. Digging is fun. So, I love to dig also, and I actually like to pretend like I'm digging for dinosaur stuff. But look at it. Oh, this is a jackpot! What? In the well, it's okay. It's not, at least it's not too small. But I just got the jackpot. Like, did you see how much? We only had 2 in there, and then we gained like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. How much it is, I don't know, but that's a lot. So I told you, in the center where these pieces is the best place. So make sure to spread it around like this. Oh, I'm getting more. Look at this, guys. This is one of my best plants that I've grown, and I love potatoes. So a jackpot on all of it. Look at. I think there's even small potatoes. I'll put that one in. And I love digging because this is actually pretty fun. Or you could put in, like you're digging for, if you love Ghostbusters, you could be pretending that you're digging for Slimo stuff. Like Slimo the old potato that we put in, it wasn't old at first, but then we did that. It's warm, ew. So don't do anything to those. Go through all the soil. So I actually got like maybe 16 of these potatoes in here. Even though they're small, they're still yummy. And I'm gonna go to my gold potatoes, which they're gonna be big. So let's go see them. I'll put that right over there. Oh, one already come out. So these are what the gold potatoes look like. They're pretty much they're yellow kind-of-ish. They're pretty much more yellow than gold, but that's okay. And let's just dig in. Ooh, I already got some. And even like from my pink potato, my red potatoes, look how small these are. You can still eat those. So don't leave those. Even, you could still eat those. Oh, they have dirt on it. But you could still eat baby potatoes. So don't waste any of it, because all of it is yummy and you can still eat. So I'm still digging. I have a lot more in here. Whoa, these are big. You better eat all your potatoes because you'll get healthy. Whoa. What is this? Is it one of our old potatoes that we put in? Yep, that's definitely it. This is what it looks like. Put that right there. That's big. I wish that it would be a yellow one. That would be humongous, guys. Oh, geez. They might not have as much in it, but they're bigger. So they're pretty much could be like zip much, but not that much, but big. So they might be like even more, like a big size. So, ooh, this one is a big one. I love digging. This is my favorite thing because you get dirty. It's fun getting dirty. And also, you have to work for your food sometimes. It's actually fun working for your food. I love working for my food because, you know why? Because once you do it, work for your food, you get healthy, yummy food. So, people out there, try it at home. I'm just telling you, try it at home. You should do this because I see I got more potatoes and they're even big. Jeez, look at the little one. I could still eat it. And once you're going through all your soil and you say, hey, we don't have any more potatoes, you can rinse them off. So I'm going to be rinsing them off. I'll put my potatoes in there. My dad is going to go get the hose. And while he's doing that, I'm going to rinse my gold potatoes off and my red potatoes off. So we have my hose here, and I'll start off with the the red potatoes. And my dad is going to go turn the water on because I thought the water was on because it was leaking. And it's okay if they have dirt, mud in there because you can just rinse it out, or the hose will just rinse it out. So I would, instead of taking your gloves off, there's the part where you have to get messy a little bit, like do that. Look, now they're nice and clean. And I could actually eat one of these right now. I'm not going to, but I might try one after the video. Let's turn that off. Because I was just turning it off because it's getting so muddy, guys. Oh my goodness! These potatoes look yummy. Look, that straight up looks like those are like I could eat them right now. I can still, but would eat them right now, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Look how much mud it is. That's why I'm wearing boots. I'm gonna jump my celebration. Hope we have a good time at a time watch the show. Bye. Hope you have a good time at a time watch the show. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, Westbound Sounds, for the music.